This video will show you very quickly and simple assembly, bath seat with arms and back U-shaped hygienic cutout. When you take all the components out of the box, you will get support on the seat. You'll notice the U-shaped cutout. 2 back inserts the backrest. 4 legs. 2 arms. Very simple to assemble. This whole thing comes together with button design. We're going to start with the legs. You have to press these buttons. Push it and it locks into place. You'll notice that we've got extra wide base tips drainage holes, and these legs are fully adjustable. We've them numbered so it makes the adjustment easy. You just want to make sure that all 4 legs are at the same level, the same number for stability. Turn it over, put on the arms. You will notice on one side tube inserts for the back. Same thing, go ahead and give that button a push, it releases in the hole. Cut out, and same thing on the other side. The last step is the back. That is bath seat with arms and back U-shaped hygienic cutout fully assembled. Welcome to Leave a Message to Communicate, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.